Welcome to my tutorial video for live streaming like a pro. Welcome back to our channel, where we provide valuable insights and tips to help you enhance your live stream content. In today's video, we'll be sharing 10 practical tips to take your live streaming game to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced streamer, these tips will help you engage your audience, improve the quality of your live stream, and create a memorable experience for your viewers. So, let's get started. Tip 1. Define your objectives. Host. Before you start live streaming, it's important to clarify your goals and objectives. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve through your live stream? Are you aiming to educate, entertain, or connect with your audience? Defining your objectives will help you tailor your content and engage your viewers more effectively. Tip 2. Plan and prepare. Host. A well-planned live stream can make a big difference. Take the time to brainstorm ideas, create an outline or script, and gather any necessary materials or resources. Planning ahead allows you to deliver a more structured and organized live stream, ensuring a smoother experience for both you and your audience. Tip 3. Pay attention to lighting and background. Host. Good lighting and a clean, visually appealing background can significantly enhance the quality of your live stream. Make sure you have sufficient lighting on your face and consider using soft, diffused light sources. Also, choose a background that aligns with your content or brand and keeps distractions to a minimum. Tip 4. Invest in quality audio. Host. Clear and high-quality audio is crucial for engaging live stream content. Invest in a decent microphone to ensure that your voice comes across crisp and clear. Minimize background noise, use soundproofing techniques if necessary, and consider adding background music to enhance the overall audio experience. Tip 5. Interact with your audience. Host. Live streaming is all about connecting with your audience in real time. Engage with your viewers by acknowledging their comments, answering questions, and incorporating interactive elements such as polls or Q&A sessions. This fosters a sense of community and keeps your viewers actively involved throughout the live stream. Tip 6. Engage in storytelling. Host. Storytelling is a powerful tool for captivating your audience. Incorporate storytelling techniques into your live stream content to create a narrative that resonates with your viewers. Share personal anecdotes, experiences, or relatable stories that add depth and emotional connection to your live stream. Tip 7. Keep a consistent schedule. Host. Consistency is key when it comes to building an engaged audience. Establish a regular live stream schedule and communicate it to your viewers. This allows them to anticipate and plan for your live streams, increasing the chances of them tuning in and becoming regular viewers. Tip 8. Utilize high-quality visuals. Host. Visual appeal plays a crucial role in live stream content. Ensure that you use high-quality visuals, including clear and well-framed video footage or screen sharing. Use graphics, overlays, or lower thirds to display important information and create a visually engaging live stream experience. Tip 9. Collaborate with others. Host. Collaborating with other content creators or experts in your niche can bring fresh perspectives and increase the value of your live streams. Consider hosting interviews, panel discussions, or joint live streams to provide your audience with diverse and insightful content. Tip 10. Analyze and improve host. After each live stream, take the time to analyze your performance and gather feedback. Review viewer engagement, comments, and any metrics available to you. That concludes our video on improving your live stream content. We hope you found these tips helpful and that they inspire you to create even better live streams. If you enjoyed this video and found value in it, we'd greatly appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our future content that's designed to help you level up your live streaming game. Host, also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it valuable. Your support and engagement mean the world to us, and it helps our channel grow so that we can continue providing you with more insightful content. Lastly, if you know someone who could benefit from these live streaming tips, please share this video with them. Sharing is caring, and by spreading the word, you're helping others improve their live streams as well. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of our community. We'll see you in the next video. Follow my Instagram @ThereAlmusKnockout and like, share and subscribe.